For too long, Zimbabwe has been held hostage by a cartel of corrupt entrepreneurs, Chigananda, who have looted billions, while our hospitals collapse, our children learn in crumbling classrooms, and our cities drown in filth. Sabena mashoko arikubuda panguva ine zvinoratidza kuti panguva ino situation yenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa yasvika pamalevels ekuti munhu wese munyika yeZimbabwe ava kutongoziva side rake rekuti uku hatichasupport just because taneta nenhamo. Ndisati ndapinda mashoko abuda panguva ine ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Chibomusaro anoenderambira achiti these men have grown fat of public contracts, flaunting stolen wealth, while ordinary citizens suffer in silence. But silence is no longer an option. But President Chiwenga is done what no one else did. He named names. He called out the looters Tagwirei, Chivayo, Sakupkanya Tungwarara Nguaya, and demanded accountability, not behind closed doors, not in whispers, but boldly in front of the Politburo and the nation. This is not politics as usual. This is reckoning. We stand with the General Chiwenga in fight against corruption. We demand the arrest of prosecution of those who have bled our nation dry. We call on ZANU-PF to return to its founding values, service, sacrifice, and sovereignty. We reject cowardice, complicity, and silence. Let it be known, General Chiwenga is not perfect, but he is the only one within the ruling elite who has shown the courage to confront the road. In a system built to protect the corrupt, it takes a lion to roar against the jackals. This is a movement, not a moment. We are not here to play politics. We are here to reclaim our country, to restore dignity, to demand justice, and to remind every leader the people are watching and the people are rising. If General Chiwenga is willing to lead this charge, then we will follow not blindly but boldly, because Zimbabwe deserves better and the time to act is now. Ndo mashoko arikubuda panguva ine vanaisapota vipi because ano Chiwenga anoposta panapa zvikananda vamuri kuona ava vana Nguaya, vana Tungwarara, vamuri kuona vari kunzi macriminals panguva ino inana Chivayo. Imbodzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro mashoko otogwana Chipomusaruro achiramba zvikananda. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.